Hello everybody, today we are doing a question from CSIR Net December 2020. The question is from part B. Question is, let A be an n by n matrix of rank 1. Alpha is equals to determinant of I plus A and beta B equal to trace of A. Then which of the following options are true? Beta minus alpha is equals to 1. Alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Alpha is less than beta plus 1. Or alpha is greater than beta plus 1. So we have to determine the relationship between alpha and beta. We have been given A is an n by n matrix whose rank is 1. Alpha is equals to determinant of I plus A and beta is equals to trace of A. Now let n be equal to 2 and A be a matrix A, B, C, D. Okay, so A plus I is equal to A plus 1, B, C and D plus 1. This is A plus I. And therefore alpha, which is equals to determinant of A plus I, is equal to A plus 1 into D plus 1 minus BC, which is equals to AD plus A plus D plus 1 minus BC. That is equals to AD minus BC plus A plus D plus 1. Alright. So now AD minus BC is clearly the determinant of matrix A. A plus D is equal to the trace of matrix A. Trace is the sum of the diagonal entries. So trace of A and this is 1. Now we have been given that the rank of matrix A is equal to 1. So this implies that determinant of A will be equal to 0. Right? Because A, we have chosen n is equals to 2. So determinant is 0. In fact, this will be true for any n. Okay? For any n, the determinant of A will be equal to 0 because the rank is given as 1. Then trace of A is represented by beta and this is 1. So this is beta plus 1 and the LHS is alpha. So we have obtained alpha is equals to beta plus 1, which implies alpha minus beta is equal to 1. So this is the relationship we have obtained between alpha and beta, and if we look into the options, option 2 is therefore the correct answer. So we will go with option 2. Thank you.